Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can use Microsoft Copilot to create images like these. So you can create an image of a beautiful car, or you can create a beautiful scenery. So now using Copilot and using the perfect prompt which I'm gonna give you, you can create any of these beautiful images in less than a minute. So let's get started. So first up, you're gonna open Copilot and you're going to sign in with your account. So as you can see, it already gives you a little bit of presets to explore and to understand what Copilot is actually about. So first let's click on this. Why do some plants change color with the seasons? So if you're curious about that, you can click on it. So now it's going to give you the answer. So it's going to take it less than 5 seconds to give you the complete answer. And it's also going to give you a detailed answer with the link to see for extra details. So plants change color with the seasons primarily due to changes in temperature and daylight. So now you probably understood what Copilot is about. So as you've seen, ChatGPT can create a text to image, and it can give you text to text, which means that you give it something or you tell it a question, then it will answer you. So this is also another type of an AI chatbot. So now I told it the prompt to generate an image of a car. So let's see how it responds. So now the image which it gave you is looking pretty good. But maybe you don't like Ferraris, and maybe you don't want it to be in a big city with a lot of skyscrapers. Now that's where the first step comes in. It's called context. So you're going to need a lot of context. So what I first did was I just told it to generate an image of a car. But I'm going to need extra context so that it can focus on what actually needs to be done. So for this, I'm going to start a new chat. So instead of saying generate an image of a car, I'm going to be more specific with what I want. I'll say generate an image of a car which is standing in the basement or a garage. So now for the context, I have taken a more advanced prompt. It says generate an image of a Bugatti Veyron which is standing in the basement or a garage. So now notice that how in the older video I said generate an image of a car and then I just left it there. But now you have been more specific with your context. I told you to generate an image of a Bugatti Veyron. Now Bugatti Veyron is a specific car which is standing in the basement or a garage. Now this is where its background is going to be. Its background is going to be a garage or a basement. So now you're going to click on enter. So now when I gave it the more advanced prompt with extra context, it has given me exactly what I was looking for. Now this is a Bugatti Veyron. So I told it to give me an example which is either in the basement or it is either in the garage. So now it has given me examples for both. So these two are the basements and these two are the garage. So now let's check both of them. Now I told it to generate an image of a Bugatti Veyron, and this is certainly a Bugatti Veyron. Now is this in a garage or a basement? Yes, it is. Now if you check for all of these images, it will be exactly how you want it. But now we can emphasize on the tone of the Bugatti or the tone of the picture. So now the next point is going to be tone. So now I have taken my old prompt, but I have edited it a little bit and added something called a tone. So now I think you're going to understand what a tone really does. So now I said generate an image of a Bugatti Veyron which is standing in the basement or a garage. The tone of the image is cartoonish but 3D style. So because I do not like realistic photos, so I can tell it to make the tone cartoonish. But I do not like 2D cartoons, I like 3D cartoons. So I told it to make it into 3D. So now you're going to hit enter. So now you can see when I give it the tone of cartoonish and 3D, it has generated it like that. So now this is a Bugatti Veyron it is in a garage or it is in your basement. And also it certainly looks a little bit cartoonish, but it also has that 3D vibe to the image. So now this is basically, from what I know, this is all you need to know for the perfect image generating experience using Copilot. So now let me know if you know any other apps or websites which is an AI chatbot and it can generate images or it can give you answers to your questions, so that I can find out the prompt formula for that, and then I can explain it to you so that you yourself can get the perfect prompt. So thank you, and I hope you found this video interesting, and just drop a like down below so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you.